Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I was going to show you a few things that I got in the mail this week. I got these are money receipts, very old. So I got those from a sweet friend. These are Starline receipts. Look how old. They're already discolored. Love those. And then she sent me these. And these say inked paper art. But this is fabric. This is not paper. So look at that. Isn't that cute? It's got different words on different little pieces of fabric. And at the bottom, it's like embroidery. It's very pretty. The vintage, bloom, all different sorts of words. So we'll definitely be using those in the journals. And then she also sent me this. She spoils me way too much. Way too much. She spoils me rotten. Look at that. I love these, but I love this background, which is an old postcard. I had to think about that for a minute. And then there's another one. Butterflies, flowers, all these stamps. I think my stamp book is going to be running over with stamps. So I got all of that, and then she also sent me some things to go with the inspirational journals that we're working on. This says Faith Can Move Mountains, and it's got all sorts of little stickers in it, inspirational stickers that you can use. And then these are, let's see what these are, vintage clock stickers. So they're they're all sorts of clocks. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So those are neat. I'll put those back in later. I won't rattle anymore right now. And then I got this beautiful French and English dictionary from her. She, like I said, she spoils me rotten. Look at this. So pretty. I absolutely love it. And it's very thick. Look at that. So thank you so much. Let's see if I can see what year it might be. Not sure if it'll have it on here. Maybe. Boston. I'm not seeing a year, so some of them like this don't have years on them. So anyway, that's fine. Doesn't matter what year it is, we'll still use it. And then she sent me this sticker book. And it's got lots of inspirational words and phrases in it as well. And then another one. This is and I'm not going to open it, but it's another sticker book. And it looks like it's two of those. They may be, yeah, they're the same. So lots of stickers that we can use in our inspirational journal. So thank you so much. Now this came from Erin in Washington. This package did. Ooh, look at this lace. Very old and vintage lace. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. And that blue. And then this is a little scallop. Let's see if I can find the end of it. There we go. A little scallop lace, and that's old too. You can tell it's got some stains on it, but that just makes it that much more interesting. I don't mind the stains. And then I got this box, and I'm not going to pull it into the frame because it has her address on it. This is from Diana M. from North Carolina. And she actually used one of our E-Club boxes, I think, to send this in. That's what it looks like anyway, one of our E-Club boxes. So I'm going to lay that over there. And she sent me a cute little note card here. Let's see. Oh, thank you. She said she enjoys shopping in our store. Okay, she says that her sister and I have inspired her and awakened her creativity, and it challenges her every day. And then she says, a word about the Happy Mail. I've enclosed napkins that I thought you would use and enjoy, especially the ones of the beach, ocean, and shells. I've taken off the extra plies, so these are ready to use. Wow. The journal I've enclosed is the culmination of many things I have learned in scrapbooking. Its base is a tissue box. I've enclosed one to get you started. I haven't seen anything with a tissue box, so this is an original. Try it and enjoy. The paper is from Kara Brandon Creations, Amethyst. I have also enclosed a couple of things from the May e-kit that I know I will never use, so you may have them back. Again, thank you for your inspiration and for sharing your life with all of us. With heartfelt blessings, Diane. Diana, thank you so much. All right, let's start off. Let's put this over here. Let's start off here. Okay, that's the tissue box she has enclosed. Get us started off. That's a pretty, is that sari silk? That is, that's very pretty. Oh wow, look at this. This is an original. Looks like to me, wow. She's got tags everywhere, little flips everywhere. Little more tags, more flips. Wow, this is very, very nice. Thank you so much. And then a little notebook over here. Oh wow, I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to do this. Who knows if I will or not. But that is very nice. Thank you so much. And I think that might go on the inside. I'll put that on the inside in a minute. And then thanks for that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, this is some different. It's not fabric. It's more like it's a specialty type paper. So that is neat. Thank you so much, Diane. This is what she got in her May kit that she said she thought she would never use. These, I'll tell you a secret about these, are the chipboard type pieces, but when I want to use some of these, I take them, and I'm not going to open this one because I've already got one open. I take them and I pull the layers apart so that they're thinner, and then I use them all through my journals. I do. But I have shown you how to pull the backing off of some of those. Look at all of these napkins. Oh my goodness, how cute. And you've already pulled the extra pieces off? I cannot even imagine. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're right. I love those for the beach. You know me. I love beach. And then I think this also come in the May kit. So thank you so much, Diane. I really appreciate all the goodies. Now, speaking of napkins, this whole box came in yesterday. And it is a big box, as you can see. And it is from Jacqueline. And she is in Indiana. So Jacqueline, thank you. My goodness, there's enough napkins in here to supply everybody in the country, just about, I think. I'm not going to pull all of them out and go through because she has got them packaged so neatly in here, and I know I would never get them back in the same place, but look at that. Now that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to have to pull one of those out. I mean, these are, look at this. These are unbelievably gorgeous. Thank you so much. So with all the napkins that I got here, and then all of them that I got over there, I'm going to have napkins to play with forever and a day. So we're going to have to come up with some projects to use our napkins with. All right, I think, let's see, have I got anything else? I think that is all that I got in the mail this week. That, and I won't say all, that's a lot. I got a ton. I got way more than what I need or what I deserve, people. You guys do not have to send me anything. Please don't feel like that you need to send me something. You really, really don't. I have got more in my life than I probably will ever use if I live to be 105. So, but anyway, I really do appreciate it. So we will talk to you guys later. And I'm going to do probably, I don't know if I'm going to do a tutorial today or not. I've got to work on some journals and do some things around the house. So I'm not sure I'll get a tutorial up. But if not, we will see you on Monday for the tutorial then. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.